Welcome to today's video where we explore the incredible capabilities of Canva AI. From design suggestions to automated editing, let's dive in. Canva AI enhances your creativity with smart design suggestions, ensuring your visuals stand out in every project. With automated image editing tools, Canva AI makes quick adjustments so you can save time without sacrificing quality. Watch as Canva AI crafts compelling text for your designs, adding just the right touch to communicate your message. Say goodbye to manual resizing. The Magic Resize tool allows you to adapt any design across formats instantly. Removing backgrounds has never been easier. With AI-driven tools, you can achieve professional results in just a click. Canva AI enhances teamwork and feedback, making collaboration smoother and more efficient than ever before. Smart templates powered by AI simplify your design process, giving you a head start on every project. Navigating the Canva AI features is a breeze. Let's take a look at how user-friendly the interface truly is. Lastly, let's speculate on the future of Canva AI. What incredible advancements might we see down the line?